How's it going, subscribers? If you want a free stock worth up to 1,000, sign up for free to any app in the description below, or on my YouTube page to get free stocks worth up to 1,000 for free. Sign up for your free stocks in all of them. You might as well get your free stocks for free. What do you have to lose but everything to gain? High volatility in NXT-ID Incorporated stock price on Tuesday, which ended trading at 49 cents, updated on December 15, 2020, by candidates since the 14th of December 2020 gained 21.57%. The NXT-ID Incorporated stock price gained 21.57% on the last trading day, Tuesday, 15th of December 2020, rising from 40 cents to 49 cents, and has now gained 3 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the day, the stock fluctuated 30.72% from a day low at 38 cents to a day high of 50 cents. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 18.93% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 6 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 11 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $5.43 million. Who would have thought that ancient volcanoes that never erupted could be the source of incredibly rich gold deposits? The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. Given the current short-term trend, the stock is expected to rise 11.76% during the next 3 months and, with a 90% probability, hold a price between 37 cents and 62 cents at the end of this 3-month period. Signals and forecast. Mostly positive signals in the chart today. The NXT-ID Incorporated stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at 40 cents and 38 cents. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, November 16, 2020. And so far it has risen 55.24%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3 months moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Support, risk and stop loss. NXT-ID Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at 48 cents, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. 48 cents, 49 cents, 50 cents. This stock may move much during a day. Volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved 12 cents between high and low, or 30.72%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 14.44%. Our recommended stop loss, 46 cents, minus 5.72%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 20 days ago. Is NXT-ID Incorporated stock a buy? NXT-ID Incorporated holds several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying says, let the trend be your friend. We therefore consider it to be a good choice at these current levels, and we are expecting further gains during the next 3 months. Current score, 7.253 predicted opening price for NXT-ID Incorporated of Wednesday, December 16, 2020. The predicted opening price is based on yesterday's movements between high, low, and the closing price. Fair opening price December 16, 2020. Current price $0.46, $0.49, overvalued.